The next little clump of trees I want to do a bit of work on is this one, which consists of two maples and two hornbeams, regular hornbeams, and this sort of downy birch. It's called, I think, and pretty much just do some pruning and a little bit of wiring. I think the issue here is quite obvious. You can't really see the trunks of these trees. So I'm gonna begin with some pruning, I think. Sometimes it can be smart to remove a bit of leaves before you do the wiring. The leaves you're not gonna need anyways on the trunk. This way it makes it easier to apply the wire. And this group of three different trees of five is a pretty big no-go in traditional bonsai, but I just thought it'd be fun, and I can always use my newbiness as an excuse. I just think it's fun. I'm so excited this summer that it's my first actual growing season of outdoor bonsai, while I actually live the same place as I have my bonsai. I used to have them at my father's place, so I only had indoors and on my balcony, which sucked because it didn't get rain my balcony. So my trees, they just suffered my outdoors. So every day I wake up, I'm just so excited because I go out and work on my trees and do what I feel like with them, and it's amazing. And if you have some leaves you feel are too big, you can always try to force the tree to make smaller leaves by leaf nipping. Now I just need to wire this branch and which will be the new leader on this Trident maple, and I have some sun and light getting down between the trunks, and it already looks way better. Maybe I should remove these ones because they're too close to the ground. I'll just leave them for now. I can always check them out later if I want to do something else. Kind of an untraditional idea, but I like it, and it's a good way to make sure your bonsai tree develops quickly, which it does in this situation when you have multiple trees put together and you have five root balls put together. It ensures that it grows a lot faster. It's just for fun. I know this is probably not a tree you'd go on an exhibition with, but I'm having fun, and that's the most important thing also in bonsai. Here I have three large trees potted together. It was originally five, like the last little group I had. The last little group I worked on before in this video. And this one is a bit more okay, according to the bonsai community and the traditional rules of bonsai, because it's the same species, and you can do this, as I told on the previous tree, to make it go faster. And if you have a three trunk tree, you really want the trunks to begin very low for it to look natural and aesthetic and follow the rules of bonsai. So That's what I'm trying to do here. But currently you can't really see the trunks because I have a big branch growing out because I wanted to be sure it survived because I cut them really hard, these two on the sides. I cut them very hard and I wanted them to survive, so I let this branch growing out of the front survive. But it's healthy enough now to get off, and it's in the growing season, so it'll probably heal very well once I've cut it off. I actually have two branches growing out of the front. That's it. Here is my fig tree, and it has this cool nebari down here. Very wide and a lot of cool deadwood. It already has an interesting trunk. I just gotta establish the branches. That was a hard prune. Don't know if that was a good idea.